Majestic 12, a name that conjures up images of power, secrecy, and the unknown. But who were the alleged masterminds behind this top-secret group? Let's meet the key players allegedly involved in MJ12, starting with General Hoyt Vandenberg, former Chief of Staff of the United States Air Force. Known for his extensive work in intelligence, Vandenberg played a crucial role in shaping the early Cold War strategies. His tenure saw significant developments in aerial reconnaissance and the establishment of the Air Force as a separate branch of the military. Vandenberg was rumored to have been deeply involved in managing UFO reports during the early Cold War, a period marked by heightened tensions and secrecy. His influence extended beyond military operations, impacting national security policies and intelligence gathering techniques. As a prominent figure in the military, his legacy continues to be studied by historians and military enthusiasts alike, shedding light on the complexities of that era. Next, Dr. Vannevar Bush, a scientific genius who led the Manhattan Project. His expertise in cutting-edge technology made him an ideal candidate for reverse engineering alleged alien materials. Each member of MJ12 was meticulously chosen for their unparalleled expertise, ranging from military strategy to groundbreaking scientific innovation. Among these distinguished individuals was Admiral Roscoe Hillenkoetter, who not only served as the first director of the CIA, but was also a pivotal figure in the clandestine operations of MJ12. His extensive experience in intelligence and covert operations made him an invaluable asset. Hillenkoetter's strategic acumen and dedication were instrumental in ensuring that the group's activities remained shrouded in secrecy, away from public scrutiny. His leadership and vision were crucial in navigating the complex landscape of post-war intelligence and national security. Other rumored members include military leaders, astrophysicists, and intelligence operatives, all tasked with safeguarding humanity, or so the story goes. Despite government denials, leaked documents have fueled speculation for decades. Were these men the guardians of extraterrestrial secrets? Or is Majestic 12 simply a hoax? Join us on Emgotv1 as we unravel the mysteries of MJ12 and explore the figures behind the conspiracy. For years, whispers of a shadowy group known as Majestic 12 have captivated the imaginations of conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts alike. These documents, some dating back to the 1940s, suggest a clandestine operation tasked with handling alien encounters. But are these papers genuine or part of an elaborate ruse? Dive deep with us as we examine the evidence, interview experts, and delve into the lives of those allegedly involved. From high-ranking military officials to secretive scientists, discover the truth behind one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. Don't miss this exclusive investigation only on Emgotv1.